Hey everyone, Navaare and I are here in Revelstoke. We're trying to get to Alberta, and they have it closed. Highway 1's closed at Revelstoke because Avalanche control until 8 p.m. tonight. So I could go to Jasper and then to Alberta, but that wouldn't get me there until after 1 in the morning. Of going down to use the ferry and go to Creston, which I would get there at 10 o'clock. So that saves me a lot of time, a lot of gas. Yeah, we are packed up. Bar had a pee, and yeah, we'll go try and get the ferry. Navaare and I have made it to the ferry. See, it's a little rainy out. The waters might be a little choppy, but yeah. Be cool.
Proceed to the route.
Hey everyone, so Navaare and I just stopped in Creston, got some fuel. We're going to be carrying on Highway 3, and I just wanted to show you guys the fuel situation. That's what our fuel economy is at right now. We're going to reset that since I just fueled up, and it's still at the city in it. And that's what I got coming here. Reset that. That's how much it costs. Well everyone, Navaare and I stopped in a town called Blairmont near Frank Slide in Alberta. Too wrecked from the day because my initial route was shut down due to avalanches. So I came the longer way, and it's not much better. Gonna play it safe and get some rest and have a fresh set of eyes and a mind. Tackle it in the morning, so we'll check in with you guys then. Here's Navaare. Morning everyone. Got some snow last night. My doors are frozen. And my lock is frozen too, so I can't get in there. I got the back open. I poured some really hot water there, and yeah, I was able to get it open, cut Navaare out, cut the snowbirch out. So you can see I'm gonna need it. All right, we are checked out. That's what I get every time I leave them for just a little bit. It's the smiles. The smile. Have to do some more scraping before we go. Just an update for you guys. Navaare and I are stopped here on the Cowboy Trail. The accident just up yonder. 4x4. Fuel economy is at that. And we've been driving in 4x4. And there's all that. And our fuel level is at -15. Navaare's a good boy. Hey everyone, Navaare and I made it to Drumheller. Thought I'd bring the Raptor to where the dinosaurs used to roam. It's cold as shit here, minus 22, just without the wind chill. here at the Hoodoos in Drumheller, Navaare and I. It's a little cold. It's minus 22 without the wind chill. There's not much wind though, so it's not horrible. Cool. There's like nobody here, which is really nice. There's the Hoodoos over yonder. Got my truck parked. So I only park like this because it's off season. See, there's nobody here. Very quiet. Like lots of room to go around me. So I'm not impeding anybody. I'm not acclimatized to the Alberta cold winters anymore. They got a little raptor in the exclusion zone. Oh man, that's gotta be cold in them towels. Save your paws, man. Go, 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 go. Good boy. walking back to the restricted area and found this. I'm gonna grab a flashlight. I just called the Drumheller. I assume that's who the park here. I'm assuming that's who looks after the park. I told him about this hole because like that's deep, and considering how close it is to where all the families and stuff come. I think I'm gonna stop recording soon and get over to the back to the truck. Just gonna head back to the truck, get my feet unthawed, let my face melt, check it out. A little frosty. Yeah, Navaare's having fun though. This road's really icy. Let's run away from him. Finally, yeah, minus 19, so it warmed up a tiny bit.
You know, she's just being herself, and it becomes instantly cemented into pop culture where people I know who don't even know who she is know this hairstyle.
Well, me. Hey, Prime members, you can listen to
All right, thank you.
Scamfluencers early and ad-free on Amazon Music. Download the app today.
A heads up, this episode contains descriptions of sexual violence, assault, and abuse. Please listen with care. He's selling, and soon they're gonna put him out of commission.
Hi, I'm Anna.
And I'm Emily.
We're the hosts of Wondery's podcast Terribly Famous, a show where we bring you outrageous true stories about our most famous celebrities. And our latest season is all about the one and only Katie Price.
You might think you know her, you might have an opinion, but there is way more to the former glamour model than just her cup size.
Yes, this is a woman who's gone from pin-up to publishing sensation.
We all have
From Young
teenage...
University, where his father teaches after just 2 months. We don't know a lot about Nate's life in his 20s, but we do know that at some point he gets married and has 2 kids. He hops from job to job, selling anything and everything. Houses, cars, insurance. Eventually, he gets sick of making money for other people. When he's in his early 30s, he strikes out on his own. The origin story he likes to tell goes like this. He's shopping for suits at a Saks Fifth Avenue, and the salesman shows him every possible accessory except one. Belts. They're an afterthought. Nate wants to change that, so he enlists his brother Zach, and they just
Thought of being away from the baby all day.
Joe has been working in construction, and he's recently added another stream of income, real estate. Luckily, he's making enough money to support the whole family. He buys up properties, renovates them, and then resells them or rents them out. But there's a problem with his scheme. In order to buy the buildings, he needs to get mortgage loans, and he's not doing well enough financially to qualify for the big loans that he wants. So he starts lying on the applications, making up fake jobs and lots he wants to build on. And Joe G has the construction background to make it happen. They work so well together that by 2005, they've co-founded 3 different LLCs. Under these companies, they buy up properties, fix them up, and either rent them out and manage the buildings or sell them for a profit. But after about a year, things start to go downhill. The Joes are fighting over how much work and money they're each contributing to the properties. Plus, Joe M has started to take issue with some of Joe G's business practices. He later testifies in court that Joe G has been stealing tenant security deposits and going out and partying with the money. Joe Masterpole wants out. He and the other Joe come to an agreement on how to sever ties. Joe G will buy out Joe M's stake in the 3 companies they co-own, plus pay off a mortgage on one of their shares. Well, somehow, the napkin turns into a formal contract that gets filed in court in June 2007. Joe G pays Joe M $300,000, which is only about half of what he owes. He says he'll give him the rest of the money by December 1st, 2007. But the deadline comes, and it goes. By the end of the month, Joe G finally shows up to Joe M's office with money. But it's only $5,000. Just as he later testifies in court, he thinks Joe G is, quote, up to something. And even with all of these ticking legal time bombs around her, Teresa...
There's 2 truckers spun out across all 3 lanes there.
Okay.
So just be a little bit here.
Okay.
Maybe 10 minutes, I don't know.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Just chill here.
Yeah, that's right here.
Okay.
Sachi, what can you even say about a story like that?
The thing about this one that I think is interesting, the same thing over and over again. Hey, I'm in love with you. What if we got married and gave each other all of our riches because I'm dying? I have all these questions sort of about who he told.
Suddenly, the entire deck shakes violently. Harpo feels his blanket is and
Garber as Matthew Cuthbert, and Michaela Luke binding an original score, Dolby Atmos sound design.
Stores. Join for free at Rakuten.ca or get the Rakuten app. That's Rakuten.
From Wondery, I'm Mike Corey, and this is Against the Odds. In the final weeks of World War II, USS Indianapolis, a heavy cruiser,
Stay in the right lane.
with 1,195 men on board, was attacked by a Japanese submarine in the Philippine Sea. 2 torpedoes struck, and within minutes, the ship went down. After the sinking, about 900 survivors were stranded.